Hi everyone. So we are picking up on another question type today, that's text purpose. Text structure and the purpose is basically the whole question type, but we are going to break it down into two parts. Right now we are dealing with a text purpose kind of a question. So in text purpose question type, you'll find two types of purpose questions, right? This is the first purpose question type that we are taking up, and we'll be looking at the second type after this particular question. Now let's first of all understand, how do we really understand that this is a text purpose kind of a question. It's going to be pretty clear when you look at the question stem. It's going to mention very explicitly that you have to identify the purpose of the text, right? So which choice best states the main purpose of the text is the question stem, and it's quite clear by reading this that we are supposed to find the purpose. So we know this is the text purpose kind of a question. Now let's go ahead and read the text. In 2007, computer scientist Lewis was working on converting printed books into a digital format. So this particular sentence is telling me what this computer scientist was working on. He was working on converting printed books into a digital format. Fine, the project has been told to me. Okay, great. He found that some words were distorted enough that digital scanners couldn't recognize them, but most humans could easily read them. Now, this is basically telling me about the problem with the digital scanners. What went wrong with the digital scanners, right? So, digital scanners couldn't recognize some words, but humans could easily read them. That was a problem with the digital scanners. Let's read ahead. Based on that finding, this person Lewis invented a simple security test to keep automated bots out of websites. So because of this finding, whatever this finding or the problem was with the digital scanners, he came up with an invention, correct? And that has been explained to me. What did he come up with? I don't have to get into the details. Now understand this is a purpose question. This is a main purpose question of the whole text. So try and avoid getting into the details of every sentence. We don't have to get into the details. We have to have an overall understanding of what the text is. Correct? So avoid getting into each and every detail in every sentence. Just try and understand in a very overall manner what is it saying. So this sentence is basically just telling me that because of the flaw, he came up with something. Correct? This understanding is good enough. Let's read ahead. The first version of the reCAPTCHA test asked users to type one known word, and one of the main word scanners couldn't recognize. So we know the test's name now. It's a reCAPTCHA test, right? And what was the first version supposed to do or was doing? It's been told to me in this particular sentence. Great. Let's read ahead. Correct answers proved the users were humans and added data to the book digitizing project. So what happened when they saw the correct answers due to this reCAPTCHA test? Again, that's been told to me. Right? So this is what I understand from the text in a very overall manner. What is the whole point of asking a main purpose question? It's basically asking you to identify why the author is saying whatever he's saying. The purpose questions are always related to the question why. Right? Now in this case we are dealing with the purpose of the whole text. So I have to identify an option that's telling me the reason why the author is telling me all of this. Correct? What is he trying to establish? Now with this understanding of the whole text in a very overall manner, I'll go ahead and eliminate my options. And I want you to pay attention as to the reasons why I'm eliminating the options, right? What are the reasons behind eliminating these options? Understand that. Now option A, to discuss one answer's invention of reCAPTCHA. So it is definitely talking about or discussing this person Lewis's invention of reCAPTCHA. You can be sure of your answer as of now, or you might feel like I am not sure about this. It's okay to feel like that. So just keep it on hold somewhere, and let's go ahead and eliminate the other options. To explain how digital scanners work. Now the text told me about a flaw in the digital scanners. It didn't tell me how they operate. Correct? Now from the text I know that they couldn't recognize certain things, because of which this person Lewis came up with an invention of reCAPTCHA. But it's not really telling me how the digital scanners really work. So this is definitely out, because this is not being explained in the text whatsoever. Let's go to C now. To call attention to Wanan's book digitizing project. Now this book digitizing project is definitely being told to me in the text, but not everything that's been given to me in the text is going to be the main purpose. Correct? Now when you read an option and when you think that okay, this has been discussed in the text, I want you to ask yourself this question: why the text is giving me this information? Why the text has mentioned about this project? if you get an answer to this why, it means this is not going to be your purpose answer. This is not the purpose. The answer to the question why that you come up with is going to be your main purpose of the text. So if I frame a question over here that, okay, why is the text or why is the author really talking about this book digitizing project? The answer that I come up with is because he wants to discuss this recaptcha invention with me, right? The author wants to talk about this recaptcha invention by this person with me. Correct? And that's the reason why this whole digitizing project has been explained to me in the text. Which means C is something that's been given to me in the text, but it's a detail that's been given to me in the text. That's not the purpose of the text itself. Right? Now let's go to D, to indicate how popular reCAPTCHA is. Now I know that this thing has been invented, but I don't know the popularity yet. Is this something that's popular already or probably is going to be popular in the future? I have no such information in the text. So this is out of text, right? Out of scope. So clearly now I can be very sure about choice A as my answer. The purpose of the text is basically to tell us about the invention of reCAPTCHA by this person Lewis.